Hello guys and girls, and welcome to your bargain bin of entertainment. Today we're off to Chopwell Park. Something new for you guys, so let's go. I bought this GoPro with the sole intention of using it to do like vlogs, IRL things and all the rest of it. I've not done it because of the pandemic. I had loads of things I want to do, like challenges and all the rest of it. I set this as a goal for myself that I would at least do one. So this is why I'm doing this one today for you guys. As always, if you do enjoy it, remember to press that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get to Chopwell Park. Yeah, we made it here. We're at Chopwell Park and it's just a nice place in the middle of nowhere really. And this is something that I wanted to do like from the beginning of the year, was to bring like vlogs and stuff of things that I was going to be doing outside of playing games or being on the computer. And I thought this would have been a nice little change for you guys. So yeah, and if you like it, let me know, I'll do more. If you press the dislike key, and I'll not do any more. But yeah, I'm just going to show like loads of clips of like all the areas that we've been and all the rest of it, and take it from there. So yeah. So yeah, we're walking through the middle of a forest at the moment, and then all you can hear is a chainsaw. I mean, I'm not one for all the horror skeptics and stuff, but if you hear a chainsaw in the middle of a woods, it's not going to be good, is it really? Let's just hope it doesn't get me. So yeah, there you go guys, there's my day in Chopwell Park. Hope you enjoyed it. If you've watched it to the end, thank you very much. Remember to press subscribe if you're new here, and like so I know what to do again. Honestly, it's so lovely here. It's just nice to get out the house, away from the whole pandemic, not being at work, and it's just really peaceful. So if you're ever in the area, I would definitely check it out. It's been great, and until the next video,